That old switch toggle system never failed. Those switches work every time. But when they modernized, we've had nothing but problems over here at Presidio. The overhead crew has to find a labyrinth maze to uncoddle the toggle problem and where the short is for why the switches aren't working. But this old system, this was the best. I just love the sound, and you can hear it. You can hear that the sound and the materials made of metal are going to last a long time, and they did. So yeah, I miss the old toggle system.